On today's video, we're going to get in the Christmas spirit and we're going to learn Christmas Time Is Here. It's my favorite Christmas song. So if you're curious about just learning all the tabs, you can just fast forward to the part of this video that we go over this. Otherwise, I'm going to start off with a demonstration, a playthrough of how to play this song, and then we're going to get into the tabs, the chords, and all the nitty-gritty details that makes this song so fun. Let's jump into it. Alright, so let's go over the chords to this song. You can follow along with the tabs. I'm going to play it nice and slow for you. And then we repeat this, so it's just F major 7, F6 9, E flat dominant 7, sharp 11. We're playing a B minor 7 flat 5, B flat diminished, A minor 7, and then we just scoot it down a half step, scoot it down another half step, and so actually this section, this A section happens twice. So it happens A. So you can just repeat this. So let's go into the B section, which is a D flat major 7 to a G flat dominant with a sharp 11, and then D flat major 7 to a G flat a G flat 7 with the sharp 11. Then we play an A minor 7 to a D diminished, I guess, or a D sharp diminished. I kind of think of this as an altered chord too, like a D with a flat 9, D7 flat 9. And then we go to a G minor 7. And then this is a fun little C dominant altered chord. And then it goes back to the A section. So it goes back to this. As always, thank you for being a part of this community. Happy holidays. I will see you